Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be not doing any trading. I want to talk to you about something else. In previous videos I was showing my technique, which first we practice on the virtual account and we slowly make a progress. I show you how to use the indicators which I'm using. Yesterday I make the test on the real account, which I will make over double profit. I withdraw something on this one from this profit like daily basis, and about this one I want to talk to you today. What I will be talking today is daily target between 90 to 100%. That's basically double, starting from £10. For some of you maybe that's not much amount, but you will see why I choose £10, and on binary.com we can make between 90 100% per day between 1 and 2 trends, which will give us just a couple of hours, for example, sometimes in less than an hour. But let's start it. Then we started from day one, £10 give us 19 quid. What is important is to take out some of this from your profit each day. Then you can use to it to withdraw. Then you still have some money back from your investment. Your investment was £10 on the first day, for example, you make 19 quid. Then we take £6.65 from this one, we stay with £12.35 for the next day. And basically now we start from day one, day two, which slowly we increase, because we don't start now from £10, we start from 12. That means we start a little more than the day before, and that's how it goes in 5 days during the week. You go from 10 to 19, take out 6, 12 to 20 to 30, take out 8, etc, etc, and 5th day you start with £23, you go into 44 and you withdraw 15. I know then these numbers, they don't look amazing for you. That's only £6 which I can make, £8, 10 or 15. But that's how mine looks like your week. Daily 90% each day. But this one is very important because I wanna show you how to, from minimum investment, you can start building your account and slowly make some money, even now when you're sitting in home on these difficult times for all of us, and to minimize your loss. Then basically on the first week, total what we withdraw was £52.98, including that we take out 35% of everything what we make every day. Probably you think that's not enough. Or I'm doing more in one day, I'm doing 70, 80, £100 a day. In here I make only £52 in a week. How is that possible? I can't live with this money. And that's why you're wrong. Because now imagine then you don't start from £10, you build your account slowly, and now you start from £100. The next week, using the same technique, you make £529. That looks better, is it? Go further. You continue doing what I showed you previously. Now you start from £1,000. You go for 5,000 in 1 week. That looks good, is it? Some of you might think that's now impossible, or then I'm scamming, or you don't believe it. But I tell you, it is possible if you are patient and practice this technique first on virtual account, and then when you're ready, start trading on your normal account, start with £10, not from 100 or £1,000, because as a new person you might lose it. You still don't understand fully how everything working. You still practice to get some more experience, to increase your skills on the trading. That's why I choose £10 to slowly build up. Then you can practice your skills to get this more experience and practice your patience. That's a very crucial thing, to be patient on trading before waiting for the perfect moments to entry and exit. Without these few things, you'll be not able to reach your goal for £5,298 per week. You will lose on the beginning. Then please practice first on the virtual account until you're ready. Somebody said then, newbie practice 100 technique one time. Master practice one technique 100 times. That's why a message from me today to you. Practice one technique hundreds and hundreds times every day until you are master of this technique. You fully understand how to predict it. Even if you will be nearly expert on this one, you might still get some losses, because no technique is perfect to give you 100% successful trading every single day. But that's why I choose this one, to slowly build up, to not lose. Because if you invest £100 on the beginning and you make 2 successful trends, but the third one you might lose everything, or on the first one you might lose everything, that might affect your budget, that might affect your life. If you invest £10, I don't think that amount will affect your life if you even lose it from before you get any more money, because that might happen too. You need to be careful about this one. Then please be patient, practice, and stay safe. Thank you.